Welcome to questions and answers. Read out loud the answer.
Where is your family?
Here is my family.
Who is your sister?
She is my sister.
Why is your aunt here?
She is here because she is not there.
How is your car?
My car is red.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is today.
How are you?
I am well.
Who are your siblings?
Robert and Jane are my siblings.
Where are your siblings?
They are here.
When is your uncle here?
He is here now.
Why is she a dentist?
She is a dentist because she is a good dentist.